The Sierra Bravo 2-inch wide duty belt was engineered with direct feedback from officers in the field, and we built this belt to give you all the adaptability and customization you need to create the perfect foundation for your duty wardrobe. We used ultra-strong 1680D nylon fabric and engineered a waterproof treatment to protect you against the rain and moisture. Designed to fully support a broad range of loadouts, the Sierra Bravo duty belt integrates with MOLLE web gear and the 511 slick-stick system, giving you unprecedented flexibility when choosing your accessories. This kit includes the main belt, the inner belt, and 4 individual keepers with dual retention hook and loop snap closures to keep your gear firmly and comfortably in place throughout your shift. This is the 511 Sierra Bravo 2-inch wide duty belt.